First of all, I must highlight this. I'm not a speaking coach. I know I'm from Toastmasters and we're supposed to be great speakers, but I'm also a learner speaker like all of you probably are. I'm here to share with you my experience from Toastmasters International and the value you can add in your lives. Successful people are great speakers, and great leaders are great speakers too. I'm here speaking to a group of people who are aspiring entrepreneurs, who will be successful people, aspiring for great success in their lives. And I want to share with you how we can partner with you as Toastmasters International. We're a speaking community, but you're not a school. You don't come to us to sit in lectures and we teach you how to stand on stage and do your speech, but you learn by doing. Much like you guys do it here, but we just do it more frequently. So we take you through a program where you give 10 speeches, after that you become a competent communicator. That's the same thing we do with leadership too. We train you to be a better leader in that way, to be a better business person and a better leader in our society. Then the other part of what I want to talk to you about is a new club we're setting up called the Social Network. The Social Network is close to what you guys have here. It's also targeted at younger people, younger leaders, and we want to make you a better speaker and a better leader. We'll meet once a month, and we actually want to speak to Lebu and see if we can organize something here, partner with these guys. We'll meet once a month, and we'll talk about our aspirations, share ideas, network, and also learn how to be better leaders and better speakers ourselves. And I hope that we can chat about this with some of you, and we can tell you more about what we do as Toastmasters and the social network, and the value add we think we can have in you as a speaker and a leader. One last thing I think I should also just add on that. If you're looking for a leadership training, we by far, I think, the best because we train by putting you on stage. We train by putting you on stage, and that practice will make sure that when you come here to give your pitch, you pitch it better because you've learned better speaking techniques. And it is probably also the cheapest way you can do it, because for a normal speaking or leadership training, you will probably pay maybe 10,000 for the year. We charge with 1,000 rand for the year, which is quite good value for money, we think. So please let's chat about it after the event, and we can tell you about those numbers. Thank you.